1. Wash your face with a mild facial cleanser twice per day. Splash your face with lukewarm water, then apply a dime-sized amount of facial cleanser using your fingertips. Work the cleanser around your cheeks, chin, nose, eyelids, and forehead. Avoid scrubbing or rubbing your face with a washcloth. Then, rinse the soap off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Never sleep with your makeup on. Always remove it and wash your face before you go to bed. 2. Use a skin brush or loofah to promote smoother skin. You can easily make your skin appear more luminous by brushing or scrubbing it. Use a loofah sponge or skin brush when you shower to brush your skin. Brush towards your heart to promote better circulation. Another option is to use an exfoliating scrub to cleanse your skin. This will slough off any dead skin and make your skin look fresh and smooth. 3. Smooth on foundation in thin layers to create a natural finish. Foundation is an easy way to improve your skin tone. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone well, and apply it with a makeup sponge. Apply the foundation in very thin layers and let each layer dry for about 5 minutes before applying more. This will allow you to achieve the level of coverage that you want. For example, if you want light coverage, you might only apply 1 to 2 layers, but if you want full coverage, you might need 3 to 4 layers. 4. Cut back on your intake of sugar and processed carbohydrates to improve the appearance of your skin. Eating lots of sugar can have a negative effect on your skin, such as by causing breakouts, so make sure to limit your intake of sweets and processed carbohydrates, such as white bread, pasta, and white rice. Instead, opt for whole grains, fruits, and veggies to get your carbohydrate fix. 4. Tip: to make your skin glow naturally in a hurry, do vigorous exercise for about 1 minute. Try running in place, jumping rope, or doing jumping jacks. 5. Use dry shampoo when you don't have time to shampoo. If you're short on time or taking a day off from shampoo, spray dry shampoo all over your roots and work it in with your fingertips. Then, brush your hair thoroughly to distribute the dry shampoo. Your hair will look clean and voluminous after you're done. To save even more time, try applying dry shampoo before you go to bed. The dry shampoo will have more time to absorb the oils in your hair and give it a freshly washed appearance. 6. Rub your fingernails with a buffing block to make them look shiny. You don't need to get a manicure to make your nails look shiny and healthy. Just pick up a buffing block and rub it along the top edges of each of your nails. Rub the block back and forth over each of your nails for about 15 seconds. For extra shiny nails, apply a coat of clear nail polish after you finish buffing your nails. Check out the link description below.